Thank you for coming here today to watch one of our tutorial videos. We will show you here how easy it is to place an order in our shop. Once you've signed in, you'll be taken to your @Cost Metals dashboard. Make your way to the shop up at the top. This is the shopping cart where you can purchase all metals we offer. On the left, you can view how much money you have in your @Cost Metals balance. You must have funds in the account balance to place an order. Below that is your shopping cart. This is where you can view and edit the items in your cart, as well as the total amount of the order you are customizing. In the middle is the search bar and the filters to help you find products easier. You can choose between the different type of metal and whether it is specialty or at cost. Underneath that, you can sort the list based off of the options given. We are going to add some metals to our shopping cart. If you already know what you're going to buy, you can use the search bar to make the process quicker. If not, you can scroll through what we offer. Once you find what you are looking for, in this case 2024 Silver American Eagles, hit the Add to Cart button. You will see the shopping cart update as well. If you need to change the amount of items you would like to purchase, make your way back to the shopping cart and click on the plus or minus buttons or double click on the number. There you can put in any custom amount. We will be buying 12. Hit OK, and once you have compiled all the items in your cart, click the Continue to Checkout button. Next, you will be taken to checkout. Your default shipping information should be showing already. If you would like it to ship to a different address, change it here. Make sure all of the info is correct so we can send your metals without complications. If your package gets sent back to us due to incorrect information, you will incur a fee to send it back out. After that, look over at the cart information. You will see your @Cost Metals balance, the total of your cart, and the side you would like to place your points if there are any. Below that, you can choose to place the order, update the prices on the items you've chosen, and edit your order. Finally, verify that everything you would like to purchase is in your cart and click the Place Order button. It is that simple. Thank you for watching @Cost Metals tutorial series. We are committed to your savings and success.